Empowering excellence, the unwavering spirit of Olympics and Paralympics. The world unites every 4 years to celebrate human achievement, perseverance, and sportsmanship. The Olympics and Paralympics are beacons of inspiration, showcasing the best of humanity. While the Olympics take the center stage, the Paralympics deserve equal recognition and admiration. Born in Olympia, Greece over 2,700 years ago, the ancient Olympics were a celebration of gods and men. Athletes from across Greece competed in events like running, wrestling, and chariot racing. Centuries of dormancy, the Olympics were revived in 1896 by Pierre de Coubertin, a French educator. The modern games aimed to promote peace, friendship, and athleticism.
Very quickly out of the blocks, Pistorius. He's absolutely haired out of the blocks, closed right up on Oliveira, but now down the back straight. How will Oliveira be able to respond? It's Pistorius who leads, Prince going well on the outside.
Yet there's another remarkable story unfolding alongside the Olympics, the Paralympics. Born from the vision of Dr. Ludwig Gutermann in 1948, Paralympics began as a small gathering of injured veterans. Today, it's a global celebration of athleticism and human potential. The Paralympics empower athletes with the physical disabilities to showcase their talents. It's a powerful symbol of equality and inclusion. It reminds us that everyone, regardless of their abilities, deserves the opportunity to compete, to dream, and to achieve. The Paralympics are more than just a sporting event. They are a testament to the human spirit, a reminder that the determination and courage, anything is possible. So let us celebrate these extraordinary athletes and the incredible achievements they have made.
Not the best of starts from Guo Chung, usually so explosive off the blocks, but his underwater is excellent. So too a good start for Samuel da Silva de Oliveira of Brazil, the 19-year-old at his debut games.
The Paralympics promote inclusion, breaking down barriers between able-bodied and disabled athletes. This unity inspires a more compassionate and accessible world. The Paralympians face unimaginable obstacles, yet their resilience and determination inspires us all. Despite remarkable growth, the Paralympics still receive limited coverage and recognition. It's time to bridge up this gap. Hosting the Olympics and Paralympics can have a significant economic impact on the country. The construction of new infrastructure such as stadium, transportation system and accommodations can create jobs and boost local economies. The influx of tourists and media coverage can also generate substantial revenue. As the world continues to evolve, so too will the Olympics and Paralympics. The future of these events will likely to be shaped by the factors such as technology, globalization and social change. One potential trend is the increasing emphasis on the sustainability. As concerns about the climate change grow, there will be greater demands for environment-friendly practices in the planning and execution of the games. Another trend is the growing importance of the digital media. The Olympics and Paralympics are increasingly being consumed through digital platforms such as televisions, streaming services, and social media. This has opened up new opportunities for engagement and fan participation. In conclusion, we can say the line, the Olympics and Paralympics are more than just sporting events. They are a mirror reflecting the best of humanity. They remind us that with courage, passion, and touch of magic, anyone can be a champion. They are the two sides of the same coin, empowering human excellence. As we honor the achievements of Olympians, let us also recognize the unparalleled courage and resilience of the Paralympians. Let us continue to inspire and to be inspired by the athletes who push the boundaries of human achievement. Let us strive for a world where everyone has the opportunity to compete, to dream, and to achieve greatness.